baby.
This is a network situation here. I can tell. I've seen them, I know. They're the ones that are funding it, so they're...
To aid the birth, John uses special carving ropes. He asks Ritchie and Stan to assist.
So what I'm doing is making a loop in the thing, which is going to sit around the calf's leg like that, so we can get a bit more tension on the calf. Rich, do you want to come here, mate?
Yeah, man. What's up?
You just take hold of that.
Yeah.
And again,
when she pushes,
all you do is just lean
gently
back.
back.
So what I'm just trying to do is just gently just stretch the vulva, just so the head will pop through. So try and keep some tension on now as she's pushing.
All the time, yeah.
Well, what you're going to do is
slight tension.
Just lean back as she pushes and then keep
the tension.
on.
Yeah.
That's it, lovely. Nearly there. So just watch it, Margie. She might drop, and if you do, you've got to release out of the rope.
We will.
Just hold
go
it.
On, go on. Got to drop it if she goes down. Go on.
Just drop one.
Go on.
Just wait for the next push. Yeah. Just not too heavy, just lean back.
There we go.
Lean back, lean downhill, boys. Just right, drop right down.
Hey.
Do a let go of the rope?
No, not yet. Jesus.
Well done, Fee.
Hello.
It's a mini moo.
Calves can be rubbed in straw after being born. This, like being licked by the cow, cleans and dries the calf and helps stimulate him into action.
Can we call him Mini Moo?
All these people.
Oh, that is a Mini Moo.
Just nice and gentle, please, people. Nice and quiet. That's a big calf, that.
It's huge.
Bull calf. That a girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Well done, John boy.
Job. Well done, chaps. Good job.
Beautiful. We love babies, don't we?
Yeah, I do.
The first railway journey was from...
Ritchie is cleaning the dirty straw out of the animals' pens. Dinner's finished and Stan arrives back at the farm to a hero's welcome.
Shut up.
We missed you.
I'm starving.
What happened, dude?
Harry.
Right.
It's really good, actually.
Oh, come on, I want to get involved. Fucking hell.
Victoria, Rebecca, Jeff and Ritchie, one of you is going home tonight. The farmhand with the least votes and the first to get the chop is... Lady Victoria.